In this video, I will show you how to use Quillbot for beginners. First of all, open any browser and search Quillbot. Click on the first link. Its website will open, scroll down and click on the option Sign Up Now. It's free. On the next screen, you can either continue with Google or fill the information here. Enter your email address, password and name for your account. Tick on the checkbox and click on Continue. After that, select whether English is your first language or not. Choose your work area and education status. Then select the Other option and click on Next. On the next screen, all the Quillbot features will appear. Click on the feature you want to use. If you want to do paraphrasing, then select the paraphraser option. Here, enter your text. And if you want to paste it from somewhere else, then click on Paste Text. Or you can also upload document from your device. Click on Paraphrase after entering the text and you will see the results in the right side window. You can also select different modes from the top. Now select the grammar checker from the toolbar, enter the text and it will figure out the mistakes. Click on the correction available at the right side and it will be corrected. Next, there is AI Detector. It analyzes the text and tells whether it is taken from AI tools or not. Then select the Plagiarism checker. It identifies the data taken from internet. To use it, click on Upgrade to start. Next one is Summarizer. Enter your text here and click on Summarize. And if you want to use different modes, then select any of it from the top. After that, click on Translator. It provides the user to select 2 languages and translates the text from one language to other. In the citation generator, there's a search bar at the top. You can cite any web page, book or article by simply entering its name here. The results will be shown. The last one is Quillbot Flow. You can ask it to write essay, blog post or research paper.